goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom. All through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The seagulls on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The sailors on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. This is called yoga. Yoga. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your body. Move about. Breathe in, breathe out. It feels so good to stretch it out. When you stretch, pretend to be like a cat. Follow me, arch your back to the sky. Hold that shape, stretch up high. Breathe in, breathe out. It feels so good to stretch it out. When you stretch, pretend to be like a tree. Follow me, stretch your arms to the sky. Hold that shape, stretch up high. Breathe in, breathe out. It feels so good to stretch it out. As you stretch, pretend to be like a dog. Follow me, lift your doggy nose to the sky. Hold that shape, stretch up high. When it's hard to keep it out, stretching is a useful tool. As you stretch, pretend to be like a giraffe. Follow me, lift your shoulders to the sky. Hold that shape, stretch up high. Stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your body. Move about. Breathe in, breathe out. It feels so good to stretch it out. It's called yoga. Yoga. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Makesha. We'll start our session. Okay, stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Join your hands and close your eyes. It's Mitra Kidji Anta.
Answer. What with me? Dwayne,
infinite, undefined, my
My,
potential is life.
today I pledge
Today I bless undefined,
with all my might,
on my mind,
I shall achieve
I shall achieve
my
my
potential
potential.
inside. Today I. Hmm.
Today I bless
Okay, I'll say the Kidsy anthem. Children, okay? Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, very good morning to everyone. Good. Yes, good morning. Yes, very good morning, children. Okay, ready for the warm up activity? Yes, are you all ready? Come on, keep standing.
come on, come on. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Tiger, run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like come on, it's warm outside. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm outside. Stop. Giraffe.
That's it. Thank you, everyone. Now I want all of you to drink water and come back for the attendance. Come on, all of you. Go drink water and come back. Dashwan. Dashwan. Absent. Hazel.
Yeah, vanilla ma'am.
Very good, Hazel. Jason.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Hazel. Jason. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radyarni. Radyarni. Absent. Dashwan Velan, are you present?
Ma'am.
Dashwan. Oh, fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Madashwan. Good morning. Rudvin. Rudvin is also absent. Okay. Sarah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahirni. Mahirni. Very good, Mahirni. Mitra.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha.
Yeah,
Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
hey, Ryan.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you so much, children. Children, do you all know what celebration is today? What celebration is today? Huh? Yes, Vijayadashmi celebration. Okay, you all know that. Okay, and you all prepared for that too. Okay, so this is an religious festival we celebrate all over India. Okay, and we celebrate in a different way. We all will not celebrate in all in the same way, but we celebrate in a different way. Some people celebrate it very differently. Some people celebrate Ayuda Puja. They keep all those equipments that they use for their work, and then we keep books while praying, and we clean our vehicles also. You would have seen your daddy cleaning his vehicle. Yes, cycle, bike, car, whatever it is. We used to clean it, and we used to keep some sandanam and kungumam in that. Right? You have seen that, right? Like that also we used to celebrate. And then some people used to celebrate it for 9 days. That is called Navratri. Okay, and they used to display Golu also in their houses. So in that way they used to celebrate. So there are different ways to celebrate Vijayadashami. So happy Vijayadashami to everyone. See here, they are making puja for their vehicles, and then the instrument they use. And then during Saraswati Puja also, they used to enroll the children in school. It's an auspicious day, so they used to enroll the children in school. Okay, the first learning. Next, some people they used to arrange golu in their houses. They used to make puja all throughout the 9 days. Okay. So likewise, many people celebrate it in different ways. Okay. Today we are going to see how Mitra is going to say about her Vijayadashmi celebration. Okay. Come on, Mitra.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share.
everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Mitra. Today I am going to talk about Vijayadashami festival. Vijayadashami is a Hindu festival. Lord Rama killed Ravana on this day. This festival marks the victory of good over evil. Vijayadashami is celebrated after 9 days of Navratri. It is a perfect day for children to start learning. Happy Vijayadashami! Thank you all.
Very good. Thank you so much, Mitra. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, next we'll move on to our performances. Who is going to perform first? Let's ask Hazel to perform first, okay? Yes, come on, Hazel.
Okay, ma'am. Come.
Yes, Mitra's mom, you can stop presenting.
Stand there, okay? ठीक है नहीं ठीक है अभी ठीक है Let's start.
You can pin Hazel, okay? It's the name of Sapna P.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां छोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग वेद छुए तारी बात छोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग वेद छुए तारी बात छुप छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां छोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात छोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात
Finish, ma'am.
That's it. Very good. Well done, Ma Hazel. Very good. Thank you, Hazel's mom. Thanks for the makeup you have given her. Very good, Hazel. High five.
Thank you. ये हाय
High
करके माता
five. High five.
Say thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, high five. Give a big hug to your mama. Yes, she taught you, no? Okay, thank you so much, Hazel's mom and Hazel. Okay, next we'll hear a sloka from Ananya. Come on, Ananya.
Good morning, Silver.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Start with Guru Brahma,
Guru Vishnu. Guru Deva. Mangasara.
Guru Saksha,
Guru Shastrat. Mangasara.
Parabrahma,
Parabrahma.
Tasmai Shri,
Sri.
Guruve Namaha,
Guru Namaha.
Saraswati,
Saraswati.
Namastubhyam,
Namastubhyam.
Varade,
Vade.
Kamarubini,
Hamudi.
Vidyarambam,
Vidyambam.
Karishyami,
Karishwami.
Siddhyat,
Siddhi.
Bhavatu me Sada.
Manikyo Sada. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much, Ananya. Okay, next we'll see a dance from Varsha. Varsha. You can pin Varsha. Varsha is in the name of Sendil Kumar Kandasamy. Beautiful dress, Varsha. Little bit back, Varsha. Little bit back, or you just tilt your camera upwards. Ah, fine.
Final?
Ah, yeah, correct.
Mom, is it audible?
Yeah, yeah, audible.
Okay.
Varsha. Children, clap hands for Varsha, children. Very good, very nice. Beautiful, Varsha. Yes, high five, Varsha. High five. Very good girl. Give a big hug to your mama. Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much, Varsha's mom, for your encouragement, and she has danced very beautifully. Thank you. Very good. And then next, yeah, thank you, Kana. Next is Vihan. Parents, please take a snap of your children with your costume and send it. And those who are performing, please buy them any gift or any chocolate and give to them on my behalf. Okay, next is Vihan.
Vihan, start.
First time Vihan is performing. I'm very eager to see. Come on, Vihan. Hey, you brought audience, huh? Where is Siddharth and all?
Audience is waiting out.
Okay. Yes, Vihan. Vihan. Come on, Vihan.
Okay?
கொஞ்சம் கேமரா கீழே டில்ட் பண்ணு. ரைட்.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Three. நான் தெரிஞ்சிருக்க போறேன். சரியா? Start.
Ready?
Stand straight. Stand straight. நில்லு, straight-ஆ நில்லு. Start பண்ணு.
The song is not audible clearly. Vihan's dad or mom? Sound audible illa song. Yes. Sound கேக்கல. Sound கேக்கல. Vihan, you have to move to your left, Vihan.
1 second.
கார்னர்ல டான்ஸ் பண்றீங்க கொஞ்சம்.
இல்ல மியூட்ல இல்ல.
Keep the song near the speaker, then it will be audible.
Yeah, it's playing in speaker only, ma'am.
Speaker only.
ஆமா. சுத்தமா கேக்கலையா ma'am? You can't hear?
ரொம்ப லோவா கேக்குது.
Oh, okay. ப்ளே பண்ணு இப்ப. அங்க ஸ்பீக்கர்ல கேக்குது. இப்போ
nice. Hey, you copied Vijay steps, huh? I'm going to complain to Vijay. This step and all you copied, right?
Choreographer is
Where?
Siddharth ma'am. Siddharth ma'am.
What? Sorry?
Siddharth mom only choreographed.
Siddharth mama.
Exactly.
Okay, very nice. Beautifully choreographed. Very nice. Hi, Siddharth. Hi, hi. How are you, Siddharth? Good morning, Siddharth. High five, Vihan.
High
Vihan, high five. High five, both of you, Siddharth. Give a big hug to Siddharth's mom and your mom. Okay, thank you. Anyways, thank you, Siddharth's mom, and thank you, Vihan's mom, for encouraging him. Very nice. He's dancing beautifully. Hereafter, in upcoming sessions, if there is any dance program like this, you have to make him participate. Okay, very good. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
next.
Sure.
Yeah,
Thank you,
sure.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Welcome. Okay, next we can see Sukri Gautam.
I like to pass. I like to pass.
Sukri, you like to participate, Keshav? Okay, Keshav. After Sukri Gautam, you can participate. Okay, Keshav? Yes, ma.
Okay.
Seeing that.
Yeah, fine. Yes, Sukri Gautam.
Can you hear the song, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear.
வருது பாரு நீங்க டான்ஸ் ஆனதா வருது அங்க போடுறேன் நீ வருவ ஓகே அங்க போய்
வால்யூம் கேன் யூ ப்ளீஸ் வால்யூம் அதிகமா வைங்க சாங்குக்கு.
Can you hear now, ma'am?
Yeah.
கௌதம் டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு போலயே ப்ளூடூத். One second, ma'am. 1 second.
Yeah.
பொன்னனு காதலிச்சு யாரு எவருன்னு தெரியாம லவ் பண்ணுண்ட மனசுல அறியாம லவ் பண்ணாதடா இது புரியாம என்னைக்குமே மிஸ் பண்ணிடாத சூப்பர் லவ் மேட்டரு அத நீல விட்டுடாத அது ಮುಳ್ಳಾವಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮ ಇನ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೋಕವಿಲ್ಲ ಸಪ ಕಂಡುಂಡ ಸೌಕಾರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ எவைந்த பூமியில சுத்தம் கணக்குல தந்தனகா கணக்கனகா
That's all, ma'am.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Very nice. Yeah. Who taught you all these steps and all? யார் சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க steps?
அவங்க மேம்கிட்ட பேசுங்க.
Who taught you, ma? நீங்களே choreographer-ஆ? Fine, very good. It was very nice. Good. You participated, no? I'm very happy for that. Okay, thank you. High five. High five கொடுங்க மேம்க்கு. High five கொடுங்க. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Thank you, Sukriv Gautam. Okay, next is Keshav. Keshav.
Show and dance. Show
Come on.
and dance.
What, ma?
Basura tebu bayanam hago debo sidamai Yono pujadoras basura tebu bayanam hago debo sidamai Yono pujadoras.
That's it?
Now dance.
Very
ma'am.
good, Keshav. Dance also super. Come on,
Yes,
Keshav.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Mama.
ভাগে মনে ভালো কথা
Zero.
Very good. This is the first time I'm seeing Keshav performing dance. Very nice, Keshav. High five. High five. Yeah, thank you, Keshav's mom. Thank you, Keshav. Okay, anyone, did I miss out, children? So, anyone is ready for your performance? Is there anyone? Is there anyone who is willing to perform? Over? Okay, children. Thank you so much. Happy Vijayadashmi for everyone. Happy Dashara or Vijayadashmi, whatever. And then our session will not be there tomorrow. It will be back only on Wednesday. So I'll see you back on Wednesday. Have a happy holidays. Okay, Mahirni. Mahirni, are you going to perform? I didn't ask you.
Time, ma'am, sir.
Huh? Nova?
Sound of
Next time, ma'am.
Okay, next time. Fine. Okay, thank you so much. Varsha and Siddharth. Varsha and Siddharth, if it is possible, you can take a video and send it. Send their performance in group. Okay. I don't think so because there was some disturbance while they were performing. So please take a video of what they are dancing and send it in the group. Okay.
No,
Thank you
all
so
the
much.
children, Vanilla ma'am, sorry, all
Yes,
the children,
ma'am.
let them take a photo and send it in the WhatsApp group. Inform them.
No, ma'am. Photo I have informed, ma'am, but video, I
Oh,
think Varsha's network issue was there, so I just wanted them to send a video separate.
fine, madam.
Varsha and Siddharth. Others were clearly audible, but Varsha and Siddharth, can you please send a video of their dance performance?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I will send it.
Thank you so much, Varsha's mom, and thank you so much, Siddharth. And have a happy holidays, children. I'll miss you.